So we just got done eating breakfast and we're gonna start putting stuff away, and then we're gonna head out. We are gonna decide if we're going on a dirt road or if we're just gonna go straight home. The tent that we have right now is a backpacking tent, and so it's really small, and I think we might go to REI today after dropping off the dogs to maybe get a bigger tent, because it's really hard for Tim and I both to sleep in such a small tent. And then also we'll be able to stand up in a tent, and this one we clearly cannot stand up in, and it's hard to get in and out of, but it's a great backpacking tent, so we'll keep it. We just think that it's time for another little car tent that we can take when we're just doing car runs. Alright, so we are all packed up and ready to go. As you can see, we left the site pretty clean and ready to go, and we are going to head probably to explore a little bit around here, check out some maybe other campsites. We don't really know what we're going to do, so we're just going to kind of wing it and see where we end up. I think we will probably end up heading home because we do want to hit up REI, and REI is kind of far. Okay, so we just dropped the dogs off and we decided to just go straight home because we want to go to REI and pick up the tent that we've been looking at. So we'll let you know what tent we get, or if we do get a tent. So we just got back from REI and we purchased the Kingdom 6 tent. We are super excited. Last night we spent the night at Joshua Tree, and we knew we needed a new tent, so we decided to get this one. We're gonna go set it up inside and show you what it looks like and do a quick little tour of it. So we got the Kingdom 6 REI tent, and in the front of the backpack it comes with 2 pockets, one for the guidelines and one for the metal stakes. Okay, so in the bag itself we have the rain fly along with the regular tent itself, and conveniently in the bag it has compartments for both the rain fly and the tent, and in the middle it has a little compartment for the poles. Okay, so overall the tent only took about 5 to 10 minutes to put up. It was relatively easy. This was our first time doing it. We didn't really have any issues. The tent itself is really big. It's supposed to sleep 6 people, and then it's just going to be Tim and I, so we'll have lots of room to move around. The tent has 2 rooms. One is a little porch area. Next weekend we are going to try to go take it out, and we will have another review video for that. If you enjoyed our videos, please subscribe.